Alright, so I'm back. Hopefully, I have enough battery to do this, but here it goes. This is the regular Kong, or the Monkey Kong. This is the progression part. So I'm gonna try and do this, and just follow along. So what I like to do first is I'll put my hands up. That's the first thing. Just put your hands up. And then I'll just start jumping. Just jump straight up with your hands up. Just like that. And then you're going to put some momentum into it. So just jog a little bit towards it. You do that a couple of times. Okay, so once you've got that down, what you're gonna do is try to step up onto here. So just like that. And you can practice this until you have enough confidence to where you're going to shoot your legs through this opening that you made. Through there, like, just like that. So practice that. If you got that, you can basically do the Kong vault. It's really easy. So, that was the progression. Now I'm going to show you off of this truck, because I don't really have a good Kong vault ledge, so I'm just going to use that truck. I don't feel like taking my ramps out again. Now you're not going to be jumping off of a truck on your first try. Just find something that'll fit your hand, just like where you can grab onto that edge and flick yourself off. So just bear with me. Alright, so what you're gonna do is once you've gotten down this, you're gonna follow through. I don't know if you can see it. I'm move it up close. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go. You're gonna tuck your knees. You're gonna tuck your knees into your chest and just keep it like this, just like this. And then once you're over it, you're gonna flick it. You're gonna flick it behind you, almost like you're pushing off of it, just like that. Watch my hands as I do this. If you noticed, paid attention, my hands flick my object behind me, just like that. I was going, and I flicked it behind me, just like that. Once more. Now, you're going to be doing it on a different level. Much different level. And that was the Kong vault that I said I was going to post from my other video. You're going to want to learn this one before you do the diving Kong. This requires much less skill, and it's still impressive. You know, you're going to impress a lot of people doing a Kong vault. I suggest starting on a bench, If you have a workout bench in your home, if you have benches at your school, if you're comfortable with doing it in front of people, you can try that. You know, you can do all kind of stuff. So that was the Kong Vault / Monkey Vault, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.